Hello guys, this is Ken Steve once again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification so that anytime I post a new video you get notified. So today I'll be taking you through on how you can actually track and monitor your order on 1688 and taobao. So if you're ordering yourself, you actually need to track and monitor your goods by yourself. So in this video I will not be wasting much of your time. I will just take you through some few steps how you are going to navigate the site and monitor your order and then track your order. So let's get in.
Welcome to Solution Channel by Kim Services, where we share useful videos on Facebook and Instagram ads, Alipay account, web designing, e-commerce site, online business, importation, shipping and procurement, freelancing, gospel, recharge card printing, mentorship, blog and more.
So right over here, this is my 1688 homepage. So a lot of people keep asking, how can I get my tracking number? How can I monitor my goods if I'm ordering myself? How can I get it to my doorstep? So in this video I'll be explaining straight away how you are going to track your order and how you are going to also monitor the goods by yourself. So the tracking number can actually be used to send to your shipping agent so that they will monitor and help you track the goods and know that it is coming from you. So if you come to the site, first of all you need to log in. So I think I'm already logged in here. So all you need to do is just, when you log in, you click on mine. So mine can be found by the bottom of your page, of your home page at the right corner. So over here you can see the first box there. This is my account, and the first box there is goods that are added to cart and are waiting to make payment. So the second box is that is where you see 4. That is what I'm talking about. So the second one where you see 1, these ones are under to be received. If you to be delivered. If you translate the site, you're going to see to be delivered. So you can see the one that is having a moving box, that one is under to be received. So goods will be over to be received. They will be under there when the seller have started processing the orders. Let's say they have sent it out, it is in the hands of the logistic company, the local logistic that is taken to your shipping warehouse. So all you need to do is just click on it under to be received. So it will load and take you to this page over here. So these are some of the things I ordered. So over here you're going to check and scroll down. So you're going to see where they say view logistic. I think you can see this thing here, right there and down here. So if you click on the view logistic, they are going to give you the information concerning the shipping, the local shipping agent that is processing your orders and whatever. So you can see here we have certain numbers here. As I translate the site, you see the Weibi number, the Rhyme delivery, that is the logistic Rhyme delivery over there in China, and then we have the logistic number. So what you're going to give them is the Weibi number. Copy the Weibi number, the first number there, copy it and send to your shipping agent. So that is how you are going to track your goods. So if you copy it and then send to them, they will help you be monitoring the goods and they will know that it is coming from you. You understand? Tracking number cannot match, so immediately you copy and send to them, it definitely means these orders are coming from you. So now you can still come down over here and then you see some other information down. So you are seeing, when you scroll down, you see the progress of your orders. So that is just all about tracking your order. So however, if you have any other question, kindly drop it on the comment section, so I will come attend to you. If it is something that requires another video, I will still arrange time and do another video. So I'll be posting like twice a week, or maybe at least once every week. Kindly like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you get notified every week. Thank you.